Time to get rid of sneezing. Top 5 home remedies for sneezing. Sneezing may be vexing, but it is actually a protective system that avails expel allergens and irritants out of your body. Allergies, animal dander, smoke, mold, dust, wood dust, pollen, and other such irritants are the most mundane causes of sneezing. Arctic weather, vicissitudes in humidity and temperature, rainwater, vigorous smells, victuals allergies, certain medications and other such factors with all can cause sneezing. 1. Fennel tea. Fennel tea is the best solution for sneezing. Fennel has natural antibiotic and antiviral properties that can resist any upper respiratory infection, including sneezing. Boil a cup of water, add 2 teaspoons of crushed fennel seeds and cover the pot. Soak the seeds for 10 to 15 minutes, and then strain the liquid. Drink 2 cups of this tea daily to reduce the frequency of sneezing. 2. Peppermint oil. If your sneezing is due to a stuffy nose, peppermint oil's antibacterial properties can help you much. Boil some water and add 5 drops of peppermint oil. Cover your head with a towel, and breathe in the steam coming from the boiling pot. Inhaling the steam will clear your nasal passages. 3. Black pepper. Something as simple as pepper can be the solution to sneezing and a runny nose. Mix 1/2 tablespoon of pepper powder with lukewarm water. Drink it 2 to 3 times a day. Gargling with warm water mixed with pepper also helps get rid of cold viruses and germs. You can also eat soups and salads mixed with black pepper. 4. Ginger. Ginger is one of the oldest and effective home remedies for the treatment of different viral and nasal problems including sneezing. Consume 1 to 2 teaspoons of ginger extract twice a day until the sneezing stops. 5. Chamomile tea. Finally, chamomile tea is the best remedy for sneezing. A hot cup of chamomile tea is considered as one of the greatest home remedies for sneezing caused by allergies. It has superb antihistamine properties, which can provide instant relief. Add 1 teaspoon of dried chamomile flowers to 1 cup of boiling water. Continue boiling the tea for 5 to 7 minutes. Add some honey to improve the taste. Drink the tea 2 times each day to stop your sneezing.